Intercom versus HubSpot Service Hub, which is the best help desk software. If you've been looking to streamline customer support and improve your service management, then this video is for you. I'll break down the key differences, strengths, and weaknesses of both Intercom and HubSpot Service Hub to help you decide which one works best for your business. Stay tuned to find out a better alternative that could give you even more benefits. And yes, it's not one of these two. Let's start with Intercom. First thing to know, Intercom is known for its robust live chat functionality. It makes communication with customers pretty seamless, and it's packed with automation tools that aim to increase your team's productivity. With a simple interface and features like automated workflows, real-time messaging, and the ability to send targeted messages, Intercom positions itself as a powerful tool for real-time customer support. However, it can get pricey, especially when scaling up. Some users feel the pricing model doesn't match the feature set, so it's definitely worth considering if you're comfortable with a higher price tag. Next thing, let's talk about HubSpot Service Hub. HubSpot Service Hub is a full-fledged customer service solution. It offers a broad set of features that go beyond just help desk support. With tools like a knowledge base, ticketing system, and customer feedback surveys, it positions itself as an all-in-one customer service platform. It integrates seamlessly with HubSpot CRM, which is great for companies already in the HubSpot ecosystem. The downside? Well, it's more affordable than Intercom. Some users find its interface a bit clunky, and certain advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans. Now, let's dive into something critical: customization. When you look at Intercom, it gives you flexibility in creating chatbots, setting up custom workflows, and integrating third-party tools. But you need a bit of technical expertise to get the most out of these customizations. If you're looking for something that's plug and play, you might feel a bit overwhelmed. On the other hand, HubSpot is more user-friendly, especially if you're already using other HubSpot products. But its customization options aren't as flexible as Intercom's. So, if you're someone who loves tweaking things to your exact needs, Intercom may be the better fit. The fourth thing is automation. Both platforms offer automation to help streamline support processes, but Intercom has a slight edge in this area. Intercom's automation features, particularly in its messaging system, are more advanced, allowing for more targeted and personalized messaging. HubSpot does have automation, but it feels a little more basic in comparison. If your goal is to reduce manual tasks and increase support efficiency, Intercom might be more suitable for your needs. When it comes to integrations, both Intercom and HubSpot Service Hub have extensive integration options, but HubSpot shines if you're already using HubSpot CRM or other marketing tools in the HubSpot ecosystem. Intercom, however, offers integrations with a wider range of third-party tools and platforms, making it a better choice if you need something that can integrate into a more complex tech stack. Let's talk about customer support. With Intercom, you'll get support through chat, email, and phone, but the response times can vary, especially depending on your pricing tier. HubSpot, in contrast, offers more accessible support at all levels, which can be a huge plus if you need quick assistance. However, some users complain that HubSpot's support isn't as responsive as it should be, especially for those on lower tier plans. And now for the pricing. Both platforms offer tiered pricing models, but Intercom's pricing is generally considered steeper, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. HubSpot Service Hub starts off at a lower cost, and for small teams or businesses just starting with customer service software, it can be a more cost-effective choice. So, after trying both, I think the software mentioned here is definitely worth exploring. However, if you want a better alternative that combines the best features from both platforms, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial with benefits that you can't get anywhere else. It's the perfect chance to find a help desk solution that actually works for your team and business and save yourself some money while doing it. Don't forget to click that link for your exclusive trial and start using the right tool today.